It is a good
record interview and it you don't go record. And it's going on to Pandonogara and then she would.
All right, come on, guys. When I do stick and the Panama Mogo, okay?
I'm anybody. You go bad at you. I'm not going smart. But the Mutange Murukure. Zoom, just zoom.
You should get a producer.
Yeah, I bet.
Azuma Mogu to Tony on us.
In my supper was Murehwa.
You go about as well. I know, you know, Torah sound.
Right.
Way better one way better. And then the Abba and the Abba. But
okay, Abba.
Wait just a second. And
Sabai Boga.
One to drop is one nigga. My name is.
Yeah, Bo. Karubuda, Rasta Mubuda.
Everyone inside.
And total. But my daughter say, Moga, I really trust you. To say that Moga all right, no. No, and did you do it? Okay. Will you make Minox? Tell me who is make Minox? Good preacher fruit stick. When were you? 1960. That makes you old. 47.
I'm going to be 47. 2001. 2000.
You be 47.
47.
I know that because of what is all right, no. Tell me about your musical journey. You are one of the beautiful MCs. You are not an MC. You are a selector. You are a DJ. What's the difference between a selector and a DJ? Plays anything.
I'm a selector. Dancehall, reggae.
Oh, it's like a dancehall selector, no right here. Dancehall.
Dancehall, reggae, strictly.
Okay. All right. No, let's go back to the days of A1 sound. I mean, you used to belong to which, sound system?
A1 I do belong to, but we are just patrons.
Okay. What sound system did you?
We started after Level Vibes. It was Level Vibes. That's that's Milky Trade, Farai Shabari, Alan Ranks, Tendeka. These three guys are late. Tendeka is late. Alan Ranks is late. Like and Jackie Williamson is late.
So you're the only living legend?
No, the only living legend is
Farai Shabari.
I'm next to you.
You're next to him. All right. Tell me about the days when we used to go to this, White Dab. White Dab was the home of dancehall.
It wasn't the first though.
All right.
A lot of people think White Dab was the first place that played reggae music.
So
but
which
that's
was
where
the first place?
I think it was somewhere rumors before it became rumors.
Oh, rumors.
Before it became rumors. And somewhere downtown, I think it was Sandros or something. They played something.
Sandros.
Yeah, Sandros. You know, Omakini is better.
Bana Union.
Yes.
Common group.
Yes.
Sandro.
Yeah. But it wasn't accepted. It wasn't accepted in the movie. Mbare because boys are not power to them. But how we are doing,
Can you really elaborate on that? The sound system. Well, what sound system? What sound, level vibes, and
level vibes came after. There was Africa A1 is the first. Africa A1 sound alternation. It's the first sound in Zimbabwe. Their power to Mary and his brothers. And they brought Jabi with them. Jabi was just a visit.
Who was Jabi? Where was he from?
Jabi, a lot of people say he's from Jamaica, but I think he lived more in England. But he came from Jamaica.
So he migrated to the UK.
To the UK, and his lifestyle most part, he became British. But he's Jamaican. I know in Chitemere, do you know Chitemere rhetoric?
Yeah, I know. I mean, I've read the bit of whatever stuff.
Those are the people who are to dance. Then Pakazoya sound not Motsuru. After Motsuru, Pakazoya, Dandar workers. Jagango Wira and Pamushi.
Okay. What sort of music?
Dub. Make real love dub.
Make real love dub. LKJ dub.
LKJ, Black Aki dub. Mostly it was dub.
What about Winston Roddie?
No, Winston Roddie never played in the dance.
You never played it?
No. His songs never played in the dance.
Why?
Not even Peter Tosh played in the dance. Not even Bob Marley played in the dance.
Selector Mad Minox, the ghetto crown king. Yo, booming. Rasama.
So,
Water.
back then, there was like people like Tristan Powell.
Yes, very good.
Tristan Powell.
Tristan Powell. Al Campbell, John Osborne, Domanga, other singers.
I'm not really a food or this dance. Can you tell me about those people that you're talking about? What role did they play?
These guys, Domanga Chinja, they changed the way reggae music was. Before it was the rebel music. Through a lot of people. Cheers, eh?
Why did you say it was rebel music?
It was rebel because it wasn't accepted in Jamaica.
It wasn't accepted in Jamaica.
Jamaica was playing disco music. Reggae music started getting accepted in the UK. That's where the market is.
Before it was recognized
In Jamaica. And it started going back and coming to
Why?
Africa.
I see the end of imperialist force.
No, it's not the imperialists really. It's the government. If the government, you say something against the government, you become a rebel or a traitor.
And what happened to
Bob Marley was one of those people. Peter Tosh was one of those people.
they were all rebels?
They were all rebels. But these guys were not forced to play reggae music. It was ska before that.
I understand Marley even went to the extent of being shot. Why was he shot?
Because he was the politics.
Who shot him?
Papa and because there's Stephen Siaga and Michael Mandy, I don't know which party was. JLP and PNP.
So in Jamaica, they had a setup like in the States whereby east side and west side, sort of thing.
In Jamaica, it's different. I've never been there. It's all something I know through my videos. I know they got my internet. A road can divide political parties. That side is PNP, this side is JLP. Just a road.
What is JOP?
Jamaican People's Party.
Jamaican People's Party. Is it the ruling party?
I don't know which one is the ruling party right now. I'm not too familiar with which one is which.
All right.
But there's PNP and JLP.
All right. No,
You can Google that.
let's come back to this.
Zimbabwe.
Tell me about dancehall. You started being a selector when you were
No, I didn't start as a selector.
You started.
Mama,
Damanya.
yeah, I'm
You might be going
Motoka kumashure waziya.
So guys,
You see what happened there in 1985. That's when everything started changing. When Level Vibes started playing, there was digital music. A rhythm called Sling Time. Yakaitwa this guy called Wednesday. This late right now. He used to work for Jamis, King Jamis. It changed everything.
Okay, so this thing about rhythms, it has always been there.
Yeah, rhythms were there, but the first track, that's when Level Vibes started, right? Sugar Minot was one of the biggest. Yes, all these guys are late. Right? Frankie Paul was one of them. All these guys, Frankie Paul doesn't live in Jamaica anymore. But Frankie Paul, Sugar Minot, Gwen Smith, Johnny Osborne. I think those are the people, the major people who changed that album.
All right, tell us about your sounds.
Right. It's no standout dance. White Dab. White Dab started going to Zimbabwe in Africa. Right? It's Level Vibes. Africa one was there. Then in about, I think 1987, 88, late 87, 88, we brought back Africa One. I was just a poster guy.
You were just a poster guy. What do you mean by a poster?
I'm a poster last time.
Oh, okay, right.
I'm a poster.
Mama is Ajita.
Yeah, I want a mama poster.
Yeah,
If you hold $2 and $1, whatever, you know, that's my
Catalyst.
from from that duty of being a poster.
yes.
So what was your next?
Now about 1988, Jabi, L89, Jabi and Mickey J, Lago Wales went down. And now it was a no more Level Vibes. They were using a name called Studograph. Right? When they joined us, Africa One was dismantled. Studograph was dismantled. We had to put one name.
What thing?
Stereo One. And Stereo One, I had the cassette, the Stereo One. The Lieutenant Stitch. The sound there, Lieutenant Stitch. I actually named that.
Who is or who was Lieutenant Stitch?
Lieutenant Stitch was the owner of Stereo One.
Yes, he was from Jamaica.
He's from Jamaica.
But he came here.
It's a cassette.
Oh, it's a cassette.
Cassette, yeah. Like a live dance.
All right, no, I understand.
Just like Stereo One, Silverstone, Judgment Yard, whatever it is. So you just had to pick a name. Somebody said whatever, somebody else, I picked Stereo One in. That's what you get.
All right. So, what is the name of the sound system?
Silverstone.
Silverstone.
Dancehall.
All right. I understand you work with Jama. Where is it?
You know, Bernard, I believe he's in UK right now. And I believe he's not even doing sound system.
He has not liked it.
He has not been. Just like me, I'm not empty for it. I'm only empty for it.
What the exam?
Anywhere outside Canada. I play music anywhere except in Canada.
Why not in Canada?
I got a family to look after. It's drugs. Dancehall is all about drugs. Nothing else. If you don't have nothing to do with drugs, don't stay in Canada. If you're foreign.
If you're foreign. Oh, so then why are you scared of being involved in dancehall in a foreign country like Canada? Can you really elaborate on that?
Too much shooting with my dance. Too much shooting. And problem is, you can keep your dance on. Somebody keeps his dance on. If my dance is rum, meaning that it's full, they send guys to shoot up that dance so that they can go to the next dance. It becomes dangerous.
It's dangerous, even in Canada.
Yes. Even here, if we want to really want to do it here in Zimbabwe,
It's gangsterism.
yes.
All right, talking about this local scene, let's talk about this, Zimdancehall team. What do you
is Zimdancehall?
Zimdancehall? I understand it's dancehall and still youngsters, singing in their own vernacular language. You know what I mean?
I think there's a misunderstanding what's called Zimdancehall because Zimdancehall, there's dance already. If there's Zimdancehall,
Dance already.
I think there's nothing like what anything called Zimdancehall. Personally, there's nothing called Zimdancehall.
But everybody's talking about Zimdancehall. What is Zimdancehall? Can you give me your own definition?
My definition is rhythm making Zimbabwe singing in the local language. But at the same time, there's some people singing Bulawayo, they're not recognized. There are people singing in Kwekwe, they're not recognized.
It's actually a
Only in
question.
Mbare.
It's actually a question. Can't this, we used to have this, what you call it, in Bulawayo. You know what I mean? Why can't they come up with their own Zimdancehall? They sing in Ndebele and Tyre.
They do sing in the belly, but everything, alright. Me personally, I've seen a lot, the so-called Zimdancehall. When they have the awards of Zimdancehall, you only see Harare artists. And most of them is like Chihota. If you go out, it's Chihota, and Chihota is not an Harare artists, no Kwekwe artists, no Mbare artists, no Nduna artists, no Chimimba artists.
But right now in dancehall, we have some artists coming all the way from Kenya. I happen to check out